flipping messed up my video.
I'll put it together for you.
I know how to flip and put videos together, alright? I'm not that slut.
If you send me the videos, I'll edit them for you on CapCut.
Trust, I know how to use CapCut, Tom.
No, my dad's like that.
Ooh, I'm not trying to drop my phone today.
You know,
Not again.
He used to edit for the NFL.
Your dad?
Yeah. And the NBA. And
They're like right here in front of me. Can y'all actually see where I'm pointing? Something like that. Down like there.
He did highlights for World Cup and the March Madness and NFL.
And I need to put a jig head on. This is... Oh, hold on. I seen one blow up on top of water. Ah! I almost fell. What happened? I don't have them. When did I say that? I just don't think they're biting. Alright, hold on. There was like one like... down in here somewhere. Hold on. Flipping, stuck on a flipping leaf. Alright, we're not catching nothing right here. I'm not trying to show everybody my toes, but like, might need to take my socks off.
I think you might just need to keep them out so you don't get your teeth picked on us. The digital footprint is permanent.
You know, maybe I'll just make this a kids video.
YouTube Kids?
Yep, YouTube
There's like
Kids.
a whole process you need to do to post on there. You know?
Nah.
Yeah.
All I gotta do is press on 4 kids.
Oh, you do?
Yeah.
And it puts it on kids' YouTube?
Probably. I don't flipping know. Alright, well, socks are coming off. Because now my socks are wet anyway. Hold on, I'll get it for you. Maybe. Whew, almost about flipping died. Maybe. I'll try to. I don't think there's catfish in here, but okay. No. I thought I was going to get it, but...
Should I get one of those things that unhooks you?
I'm not getting that.
Wait.
Flipping. I'll go over here, though.
What happened here?
Happened where?
Right here.
I don't know. We probably... This guy was fell in. I would have laughed. Oh. Absolutely no one. Yeah, absolutely flipping no one. I thought we'd been over this, Todd. I'm making a YouTube video. Why do you want her to come over? Oh,
She kind of got us lucky. So.
My ankle flipping broke. She does not even fish. Alright, so right now, we're basically fly fishing with a spinning rod.
I don't think this is a kid's video.
Why does it make little air bubbles?
We just gotta talk like babies when this is a kid's video.
This is guy.
And put that.
This guy's already stuck in a flipping tree, alright?
A flipping. Now it's not a kid's video. You just cussed. 7 deadly sins. Oh, they're all over there. You see where all those popping up?
Mm-hmm. Mine is actually top water, though, unlike someone I know. Flip, and it's in a tree.
Unlike someone I know.
Where did my lure... Is this already in 0.5? It is.
Namibia in there, Nigeria in there. The country. Gabe said he hates Lil Wayne.
I don't listen to Lil Wayne. I don't think no one in my family listens to Lil Wayne. There's absolutely nothing. Don't worry, this is not the only place we fish. Until my mom takes me to flipping Hall River. Then after that, we're coming back to the creek. Flip. What the flip? Alright, there's like no good spots here. I see him going on top water now. You say that every time down there. I really should have brought my polarized flipping glasses. Let's see right there on that tree. Alright, hold on. That went over there. Alright, we're going back to hand casting. I know there's some up over there, but they don't flip and bite nothing, so especially not if it's on top water. All it is flipping creek chubs and not even a bluegill. Good God. You know what? Nah, we're going over here again. Oh man, sand on my pants. Oh. Almost fell over, but it's okay. Do we go back over here or do we go over there? Got a spaghetti noodle rod, man. They're all jumping up over there to get the flies, but and right there. I got this. Hold on, give me a second. Let's not get bit by a snake today. Flip. Good Lord. Okay. If I don't grab that, where did Sebastian go? Watch, I'm gonna drop my phone in the water again for the second time. me tighten this up before I actually drop my flipping phone in the water. Alright, I think that's better. Maybe. You know, I think I heard a deer, but I just can't see it. My eyesight is horrible. It's not actually, wait. We should go up there. Up in that mulch over there. My bad. Got a little bit distracted, you know, like. Hold on, let's go find Sebastian. I hear him walking, I just don't see him, so. Oh. Oh, snap. Let's get down here. I'm scared of stepping on a snake. And thorns. Sebastian, I'm coming. Holy flip. I don't want to go that way. Wait, I don't. How did it come undone? Wait, what the freak? Oh, look. The bend. Huh? Oh, I'm gonna catch a frog. Hold on. It's gonna be a little baby frog, but it's. Where'd he go? He was over here. Oh, I see him. There's two of them. They're jumping into the creek. Yeah, I'm not getting that. Well, why is it all bent like that? What the flip? Oh, flipping water like a flipping bum. This is no longer a kid's video. 14 minutes, guys.